Hello, children. How are you all? Are you all happy? I'm so happy to welcome you all to watch this video. This video is for class 4 for all the children, both ICC and matriculation students. Subject Moral Science, Lesson 10, Session 10. Let us recap what we have learned in the previous video. In the previous video, we have learned that Jesus was arrested and he was taken to the palace of Caiaphas, the high priest. There, the Jewish leaders tried to make Jesus say something wrong, but he did not talk. And all the friends, the disciples, they ran quickly from the garden, but Peter had followed Jesus far behind. He went to the courtyard where some of the crowd stood warming themselves by an open fire. A servant girl asked Peter, "You are one of his disciples, aren't you?" "I don't know him," Peter answered rudely. After a while, else said, looked at Peter and said, "You were with Jesus in Galilee." "No," Peter said loudly. "I never knew the man." Later, someone who had been with the crowd that took Jesus stared at Peter and said, "I saw you in the garden with Jesus. Of course, you are one of his disciples." Peter was afraid. Angrily, he shouted, "I don't know the man." Just then, Peter heard the cock crow. He remembered what Jesus had said, "Before the cock crows, you will deny me 3 times." Peter looked at Jesus. Jesus was looking at him with love and sadness. Oh, how terrible Peter felt. He rushed from the courtyard into the early morning darkness. On and on he ran. Finally, he was back in the garden where Jesus had prayed. "Oh God, forgive me," Peter cried. "I thought I was strong, but I am weak and sinful. God, forgive me," he cried. God forgave Peter. God will forgive us too when we are sorry for things we have done wrong. Okay, this is what we have learned in the last lesson. In this lesson, today's lesson is about he was brave. Early Friday morning, Jesus was led through the streets of Jerusalem to the palace of Pilate, the Roman governor. Jesus was very tired, hungry, and thirsty. "Give us permission to put this man to death," the Jewish rulers shouted. Pilate said, "Jesus was not guilty. அவர்கிட்ட நான் எந்த பாவமும் அறியலை, எந்த குற்றமும் காணலையே." லைக் தட் அப்படின்னு அவர் சொன்னார். He could find no reason to put Jesus to death. எந்த குற்றமும் இல்லை. When he heard that Jesus was from Galilee, he sent him to Herod, the king of Galilee, who was in Jerusalem at this time. Herod did not say Jesus was guilty either, but sent him back to Pilate. For hours, a crowd of people who had gathered in the courtyard of Pilate's palace made fun of Jesus. Both Pilate and Herod were too afraid of Jewish priests and rulers to let him go free. All the people, they shouted, "Crucify him! Crucify him!" The crowd shouted louder and louder. "Do you want me to crucify your king?" Pilate asked, pointing to Jesus. "We have no king but Caesar. We have only Caesar, our king." Like that they were shouting. Came the rude answer. "If you let this man go free, you are an enemy of the Roman emperor Caesar, like that they were shouting. Then, in front of all the people, Pilate washed his hands in a basin of water. See, he shouted, I wash my hands to show that I am innocent of the death of this good man. Here is your king. Take and do with him as you wish. The soldiers laid a big wooden cross on Jesus' back. He walked slowly through the street towards the hill called Calvary. Okay, and there the cross made him fall to the ground. It was too heavy for him to carry. Just then, Simon, okay, a stranger visiting Jerusalem, was passing the way. The soldiers took him and made him carry the cross. Here, this is a man who's touching the cross. Okay, made him to carry the cross. Outside the city on a hill, the soldiers nailed Jesus to the cross. And they dropped the cross roughly into the hole to make it stand up. Two thieves were put on cross, one on each side of Jesus. Both thieves cursed and struggled to get free. Jesus did not fight or use hateful words. He prayed for those who were hurting him. Father, forgive them, for they do not know what they are doing. Like that, Jesus was praying to God. One thief said, if you are really the Christ, why don't you save yourself and us too? The other thief saw that Jesus was kind and good, and he believed that Jesus was the Son of God. You and I deserve to die. நம்மளை நம்ம செஞ்ச குற்றத்துக்காக அடிக்கிறாங்க. ஆனால் ஜீசஸ் ஒரு பாவமும் செய்யலை, அவரை கர்ஸ் பண்ணாது, அவர் பேசாத எதுவும் அப்படின்னு சொல்லி இந்த ஒன் சைட் தீஃப் வாஸ் டெல்லிங் டு அதர் சைட் thief. Okay, and see, you and I deserve to die, he said, but not this man. Then turning to Jesus, he cried, Lord, remember me when you take your people to heaven. He believed that Jesus will come to the earth second time, and he will take his people to heaven. He believed that, and so he said, Lord, remember me when you take your people to heaven, like that. Quickly, Jesus answered, his voice full of love, You will be with me in paradise. நீ என்னோடு கூட பரலோகத்தில் பரதீசியில் இருப்பாய், பரலோகத்தில் இருப்பாய் அப்படின்னு சொல்லி Jesus promised to the thief. Jesus was glad to know that someone believed and wanted to be with him in heaven. Okay, now see the promise, what Jesus said to the thief. Jesus said to him, I promise you that today you will be in paradise with me. Okay, Jesus said to him, I promise you that today you will be in paradise with me. That was a promise to thief. Okay, and let us learn the memory verse. Greater love has no one than this, that lay down his life for his friends. John 15:13. Say all of you, greater love has no one than this, that lay down his life for his friends. John 15:13. Shall we sing a song? God's love, it's so wonderful, God's love, it's so wonderful, God's love, it's so wonderful, oh, oh, wonderful love. It's so high, you can't get over it, it's so high, You can't get over it, it's so high. You can't get over it, oh, oh, wonderful love. It's so deep, you can't get under it, it's so deep. You can't get under it, it's so deep. You can't get under it, oh, oh, wonderful love. It's so wide, you can't get around it. It's so wide, you can't get around it. It's so wide, you can't get around it. It's so, oh, oh, wonderful love. Who will die for our sin? The great God. Okay, God has greater love. Greater love has no one done this, that he lay down his life for his friends, for us. John 15:13. Okay, let us do the worksheet from your book. You're going to say who said this statement. Okay, he washed his hands and said, I am innocent. Who said? Pilate. Okay, and they shouted, crucify him, crucify him. Who said? The crowd. Okay, next, he carried the cross for Jesus. You know who? Simon. Okay, his name was Simon, who had the privilege to carry the cross for Jesus. Okay, next, they were crucified with him. Who else? The thieves. Thieves were crucified along with Jesus. Okay, next, he said, Father, forgive them. Who said these words? Father, forgive them. Yes, Jesus. Thank you, children. You're going to go through this story from your book and find answer for the question they given at the back of your book on page number 32. Thank you all. Have a blessed day. May God bless you and your family today and always. Thank you, children.